Kirsten, and I'm an educator at the North Museum of Art. Every day I am so inspired by the things we have on view. And I'm not just talking about the paintings, but the clothing. It's all wearable art. It's fashion. And I love the ways that different cultures express themselves, whether it be the kimonos in our Asian galleries, to quill work in our Native American galleries, to the Dutch wax fabrics of Nikkei in our global African galleries. These things are so inspiring and make me want to express myself through my own form of art. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own art, a scrunchie. Let's get started. So, to get started, we need scrap fabric, an unused hair tie, scissors, thread, and a ruler, but you can just eyeball it. I'm going to be using this fabric that I made in the makerspace at the North Museum during our maker drop-ins on Saturdays from 1 to 4. It is an example of shibori style dye, which is a traditional Japanese resist dye. Take some fabric and cut it on into a long strip. This one is about 30 inches long and 5.5 inches wide. The wider your fabric, the poofier your scrunchie will be. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the fabric inside out. This fabric doesn't really have an inside out, but you can usually tell by seeing which side of the fabric is duller. It's not as bright and as vibrant. Take a brand new hair tie and you are going to wrap the fabric like so. And you are going to sew along this seam all the way down the fabric, making sure that you're constantly wrapping the hair tie within. And I'm going to start on one corner, and I'm now going to sew all the way down the end in a chain stitch. And what I mean by that is I go through and back until it's all the way down. Go all the way to the final corner, and I need to end my stitch. I go around the edge, through the loop I just made, and pull. I'm going to do that a couple of times just to make sure we're really secure. Nice and secure. Cut off the tail, and now I have the basic shape of my scrunchie. And because this scrunchie was cut so wide, it's a lot more of a statement maker than this scrunchie where I didn't cut it as wide. So now we have to turn this inside out so that the vibrant side is showing. I take it and I turn it and I gently begin to turn it inside out. I folded in this edge to make it nice and neat. And now I'm going to sew the two ends together. Thanks for joining. Show us what you made. I'd love to check it out. You can tag us on Facebook or Instagram. Our handle is North Museum Art. Or you can hashtag us. Hashtag NMOA, hashtag Museum from Home, hashtag Stay Home, hashtag Art on the Floor. Hope to see you guys again soon. Until next time.